Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Voice Memos app or feature on the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. So to get to this, you basically just go into your app listing. I didn't download it. This comes on the watch and you just need to go use it. I've got my always on display on, so if I wanted to go into the watch, I would have to press the top right button to turn the watch on, or at least take me into the watch mode. Press it again, it takes me to my apps. I've got my apps in list view. You could have them in grid view. What we're looking for in today's video is the Voice Memos app. I'm simply going to click on it, and this is what it looks like when you first go in. You'll see the record button in the middle. I don't have any previously recorded memos. If I did, you would see those. I'm going to simply click record. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. When you're done recording, hit stop. It saves your recording. If you want to do another recording, you swipe back. Now you've got a record button as well as the list. The list takes me to my recordings. This is recording number 2. And now we've got 2 recordings in there. If you want to play back any of your recordings, simply click on it, click the play button.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.
You can also adjust the volume level, and you could delete it.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.
I could go to my previous one.
Number 2.
And that's it. Pretty simple stuff. I'm going to delete these. It says, you sure you want to delete the recording file? Yes. Delete that one. And that's it. Kind of a nice feature, especially if you want to remember to do something when you get home. That's how you use the voice memo feature on the Amazfit Active 2. As always, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.